Welcome to this unboxing of 2020. I'm very excited to show a product that I personally care about and love and cherish. People are always asking me, Mason, where did you get this? This is the coolest thing I've seen in a while. And I thought this would be a good way to start the channel and open it up, share something, like I said, I care about. So today, we're unboxing the Ridge wallet. I love these things. This is the blue navy aluminum. They have multiple of these. They have different versions, different colors on their site. I'm not affiliated with the company, but like I said, I personally love their product. Expands hold 1 to 12 cards. I'm already pushing 14 right now, and it is working fantastically. RFID blocking, fantastic. Modular design that lets you switch out the cash straps and money clips on them, as you'll see. And then backed by a lifetime warranty. So fantastic for this company to provide that. So let's just get right on into it. So it's a smooth box. It has plastic wrap on it. I don't have a knife though, so a little unprepared. But yeah, can you give me a knife?
Yeah.
Got it. I use my teeth. All right, so unwrapping here. All right, nice box, smooth, sleek. It's raised on here for the product outline, like embossed. So that's pretty cool. I like that effect. Opening it. We have, all right, so start out with the manual. Comes also with the sticker, the Ridge wallet sticker. Just a little getting started guide, kind of explaining what they have available on their site. Again, here's other products that they have in the different color wallets, but definitely check out their site. The bag on the back, and then they also have power banks. So yeah, great stuff, guaranteed for life. So they will help with loose screws or wearing elastic, as you'll see. So here's the product in the box. Awesome. It just, that blue alone gets me excited. Like, I love blue. Blue's my favorite color. I'm wearing a lot of red today, but blue is my favorite color. Matches my eyes. Right out the gate, amazing. It's sleek, it's compact, it's small, and it's durable. Again, this is titanium. This is just a beautiful navy blue titanium. On the back here, I went with the cash strap option, which is really nice and convenient because you can put, you know, money, any notes, papers, anything you want to stuff in there. It holds tight. It really does its job. Inside is a gift card from Ridge Wallet. Oh look, there you go, 12-digit code. Whoever sees this first, 12-digit code to use on their website, $10 off your next order, minimum $20 purchase. So if you're watching this right now and you're the first one watching it and you're gonna buy one of these, use this code. So now it also comes with the screwdriver, so you can tighten and loosen screws. It will let you, as I said, it's modular design, lets you switch this out for the money clip instead if you wanted to do that. I've had both the money clip and the strap. I feel that they both do their job. The strap, I think, is more secure, is how I'd go with it. It holds things together better. Perfect. And then an extra bag of screws, just in case you lose one, you're not screwed.
Got it!
No, just kidding. So, carry less, live more. I mean, that's really what this is all about. And again, I mean, I even have a blue one myself. I ordered multiples just for the unboxing, but so here it is in live action. So I got all my cards in there, all 14 of them. As I said, I'm really pushing the boundaries of it, and it's working great. It's holding sturdy. And then on the back, got the money. I got some cards in there that I use outside of, obviously it's not like a credit card or anything, it's just like a paper card. So using that to hold that stuff in there, and it works wonderful. It is really a great product. So again, Feel free to check it out. I'll link to the site below. Again, not affiliated, but I just love it a lot. And enjoy. Really enjoy. I mean, I hope you guys have a great 2020. And hopefully this is the first of many amazing unboxing videos. Thanks for checking it out.